Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Black Blockchain Consultants. We are all about the business of blockchain here. And if you want to have more discussions about crypto and blockchain from a Black point of view, you can come to blackblockchainconsultants.com and be a part of our Discord group. So, again, blackblockchainconsultants.com to find our Discord group. And the link will be in the chat. Okay, so. The SEC's top cop, SEC Chief Gary Gensler, yesterday was speaking in front of Congress. And he has basically told everybody that there is going to be a lot more regulation coming in the world of crypto. So we're going to read the Wall Street Journal report just a little bit here, have a few things highlighted based on his discussion yesterday. So he did ask Congress to grant them more scope and ultimately more resources, which means more money to oversee the sector. So this is coming. A lot of this is because of the fraud, scams, and abuse that has happened over the past few years, even with regards to stablecoins. So for all of my lawyers, paralegals, and anyone who's interested in this aspect of the cryptoverse, all I can say, jobs, businesses. There's going to be tons of jobs, tons of businesses, tons of opportunities with regards to this. So he said yesterday, if this innovation has any chance of surviving into the late 2020s and 2030s, it cannot stay astride of the public policy. Now, I'm going to say that I don't necessarily agree with that statement 100%, but I do think if it has any chance of real mass adoption, that there needs to be more public policy put in there. So tell me in the chat, what do you think about this statement? Am I wrong? Is Mr. Gensler right? What do you think the chance of survival of crypto is without public policy, meaning the government in our business? All right, so apparently Senator Elizabeth Warren is involved in this as well. She's really big on protecting investors. There's also a representative, Don Bayer, a Democrat in Virginia, who has introduced a bill that would create laws around the entire digital asset sector. So the government has been for a couple of years now really talking about getting more and more involved with regards to crypto, and we are seeing that here. Mr. Gensler, again, the SEC chief, has told House lawmakers that investor protection rules should apply to crypto exchanges. So the exchanges are going to be the ways that these things are regulated. It may still be the wild, wild west for a while with regards to once you got the crypto in your wallet, exchanging it, but the on ramp is going to be the primary way right now that they're looking at overseeing this. DeFi. DeFi stands for decentralized finance, and investors have poured tens of billions of dollars over the past 12 months into decentralized finance. The assets deposited with DeFi projects have gone from $3 billion a year ago to $85 billion today. So if you listen to any kind of crypto or blockchain discussions, you'll see a lot of companies out there that say, hey, deposit your crypto assets with us and you can get interest on your crypto and still keep your crypto and things like that. Well, apparently there have been a lot of scams with regards to that as well. And DeFi fraud costs investors $83.4 million from January through April of this year. Y'all, this is about to be regulated big time. With regards to stablecoins, you usually think, hey, yeah, they're pegged to a value of a currency like the US dollar, for example. Well, they should be fine, right? According to the SEC, no, that is not the case. They may also meet the definition of securities or investments and may be regulated as well. Mr. Gensler said, and I quote, I believe we have a crypto market now where many tokens may be unregistered securities. So these, some of the tokens that we're seeing, not necessarily the NFTs, but other types of tokens, they are coming for those because they are not registered with the SEC as broker dealers. This is the people that are buying and selling tokens, more so selling the tokens. The US crypto trading platforms generally permit trading only in assets that they believe are not securities. Coinbase, of course, is a huge crypto exchange. They went public earlier this year, so they cannot get around the SEC. And they said in an SEC filing that it could face penalties if regulators conclude that its platform is used to trade unregistered securities. So, again, there's about to be a lot more regulation in the crypto space. Just wanted to bring this Wall Street Journal article to all of you. Again, don't forget, if you want to join our Discord channel, blackblockchainconsultants.com. And there's also a link for our Blockchain 101 course in the description box as well. Thank you so much.